So what are the Library of Congress subject headings? Well, basically they're exactly what they sound like. The subject headings used by the Library of Congress for the items in their collection. The Library of Congress began using subject headings in 1898 and first published a list of its subject headings in 1914. Today, the Library of Congress subject headings are used by most larger libraries in the United States. It's important to remember that there is no formal code for assigning subject headings the way there is for descriptive cataloging. In 1984, the Library of Congress began publishing their own guidelines, internal guidelines for assigning subject headings in a volume called Subject Cataloging Manual, Subject Headings. In 2008, the title was changed to Subject Headings Manual, and it still doesn't constitute a formal code, but it does provide guidance for libraries who use the Library of Congress subject headings. Another thing to remember about Library of Congress subject headings is that they do change over time. They are dynamic. They change to reflect changes that have occurred in our language. For example, Afro-Americans used to be an established subject heading, and now we use African Americans instead. A fairly recent change was the decision to stop using the heading cookery and to use cooking, which is a much more natural term for our language. Some people think that the Library of Congress subject headings don't change as quickly as perhaps they should. They don't always keep up with modern usage, but they do change. They are designed to be dynamic and to reflect the usage that the users will understand.